इसके पश्चात आज के इस सत्र के जो वक्ता है आदरणीय डॉक्टर दिनेश गौतम जी, जो कि एक कानूनविद और सोशल एक्टिविस्ट है और उनका इस क्षेत्र में अच्छा खासा काम भी है। वे हमारे बीच में उपस्थित है। मैं उनको उनका जो विषय है सामाजिक परिवर्तन के लिए अम्बेडकराइट मजदूर आंदोलन की आवश्यकता, इस विषय पर अपनी भूमिका रखने के लिए मैं सम्मानपूर्वक आमंत्रित करता हूँ कि वे यहाँ आए और हम सभी का मार्गदर्शन करें।
Hello. Good evening, respected dignitaries, Honorable Patil sir, respected Mahendra Yadav sir, respected Kapil sir, or respected audience and ladies and gentlemen, and media representatives also. Today we are assembled here the very important national convention. This national convention organized by Independent National Labour Union. This convention organized the holy place Nagpur. So today I am very glad provide very important platform. Thank you very much, Sri Mahesh Chandra ji and organized team also. Morning to evening, audience listen to very important themes or detailed knowledge regarding National Convention. So, this is the motto of the National Convention. Independent Labour Union, ILU, is the national trade union having affiliated unions, organizations in all the central and state sectors, industries throughout India. Or this trade union is established for the radical change in the socio-economic scenario of working class based on the ideology of equality, fraternity, liberty, and justice laid down by the Constitution of India. So I salute the aim of the Independent Labour Union. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar said that the Indian Constitution is the best constitution in the world. Indian democracy is the best democracy in the world. So we, the people of India, the world, said the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, हम भारत के लोग. So really, this is the word under the Indian Constitution. All the words like the theme of Ambedkar rights, there is mention of the Ambedkar rights. Under the Indian Constitution, mention the Ambedkar rights. Part 3, Article 12 to 35, the fundamental rights. The fundamental rights, the important salient feature of the Indian Constitution. Why is it a very important salient feature of the Indian Constitution? First of all, the previous speaker also said that the right to equality, this is a very important fundamental right. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar not point out to the any other fundamental right before the equality, whole of the life, the sanghas or the develop, also the fight regarding the equality. Whole of the society that represent of the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the aim of equality. So the 2 points are mentioned under the Indian Constitution. The state shall not deny the equality before law or equal protection of law. Equality before law or equal protection of laws. Two themes, all the themes point out by the Professor Ivor Jennings, the ready to the rule of law. So Dr. B.R. Ambedkar also mentioned under the Indian Constitution the right to equality, all are equal. The discrimination of the labor persons, being a human person, so there is no discrimination. This is a best fundamental right under the Indian Constitution. So first of all, the equality under the Indian Constitution. The another word we define to fraternity. You know about the fraternity. Literal meaning in Hindi, Bandhattu. This word is also mentioned to the preamble of the Indian Constitution. Fraternity, all are the human beings. Why discriminate to the general scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, other backward classes? This discrimination only point out to why the economically some people are rich, belong to the higher community. And another theme, this is the all the people's fraternity, the theme of very important theme under mention of the Indian Constitution. All the silent features or very important theme mentioned. Part 4, direct state principal policy. What is the direct state principal policy? Direct state principal policy under the Article 36 to 51. So very important article under the mention of the Indian Constitution. Social, economic or political. These are categories are mentioned under the direct state principal policy. So this is a very important fraternity all the peoples. The another things, the liberty, you know about the mention of the liberty. Liberty will also use the preamble of the Indian Constitution. And also mention to fundamental right, right to freedom. Right to freedom, this is also very important article. Article 19 to 21 and Article 19 to divide to the 6 liberties or 6 freedoms also mentioned under the Indian Constitution. And Article 20 or Article 21 also mentioned under the Indian Constitution. So this is a very important theme. Under the mentioned Indian Constitution, very important article, right to personal liberty. Are you know about the right to personal liberty? प्राण और देह की स्वतंत्रता का अधिकार. So this is also most important fundamental right under the Indian Constitution. No person shall be deprived of his life, personal liberty, procedure is stabilized by law. So only the due process of law or the procedure is stabilized by law. So as per the law or as per the Indian Constitution, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar also says that regarding the procedure is stabilized by law, not to mention to the due process of law. But the theme is under the Indian Constitution. First judgment on the Supreme Court of India laid down by the A.K. Gopalan versus State of Madras, AIR 1950. So Honorable Justice, the Justice Fazal is also dissenting opinion. I am not go to the procedure established by law, I go to the due process of law. The after the A.K. Gopalan, this is also very important judgment. The point out of the Supreme Court of India, Maneka Gandhi versus Union of India. So Maneka Gandhi of Union of India, this judgment point out to Justice P.M. Ganguly, laid down to this judgment, the explain to the word, the liberty or right to life. So right to life, this is a fundamental right. This is a fundamental right. After the Maneka Gandhi, the Article 21, the scope is very wide, or the punch of the judgments, punch of the fundamental right under the Indian Constitution or under the Article 21. Professor C.M. Jariwala Saab said that just like Article 21 protect the umbrella, the run or so as a natural justice, the protection of the fundamental right, Article 21, all the fundamental right, like right to work, right to education, right to free legal education, right to bunch of the rights, right to information, right to food, right to sexual harassment of the workplace. So also point out to the government 2023, I discussed to the last some minutes. So this is also very important theme. We point out by the Independent Labour Union. The another word, the justice. Are you know about the justice? Without justice, there is no law. You know about the law, LAW, Vidhi, or rule and regulations. So law is divided into two parts, the codified law or uncodified law. Uncodified law, the based of the principle. परिवार के मुखिया ने कहा कि घर को शाम को 6 बजे तक आ जाना या 7 बजे तक आ जाना घर के मेंबर्स के लिए. This is a law. And honorable parliament laid down by the bunch of the legislations, statutory laws. So this is a codified law. So are you know about the codified law? The codified laws, the bunch of the labor laws. You know about the Independent Labour Union. So this is the very important thing. The word labor, any form of work, manual or intellectual, is called labor. Manual or intellectual called labor. Telling a hand of the carrying hand by the hand is a manual labor. So you know about me, I am also labor person. So this theme is pointed out by the what you need the book of the write a letter. Suppose that for example, read a book or write a letter. So you are the engaged in the intellectual work, the dignity of labor, the dignity of respective. So previous speaker also point out the dignity of the labor. So at present time the demand of the justice for laborer classes. The another theme, these are the fraternity or the unfortunately educated. We are going to the country, generally the learned experts or the laborer persons, or there is the high or middle class. You know about the minimum power of the rate and rights. So this is the very important thing regarding the justice. Or another mention, you know about the judiciary systems, union judiciaries, state judiciaries, or district judiciary. So this is the also base of the justice. So provide to the through judgments. The bunch of the judgment point out to the Supreme Court of India time to time, or the other labor organization also, other the labor court also provide to the justice for litigants. The another theme the laid down by the Constitution of India. So Constitution of India, the very wide constitution. So bunch of the act passed by the parliament. So like I point out to the some name of the act, Industrial Dispute Act 1947. You know about the right to strike or to strike, retrenchment, workmen. These are words defined under the Industrial Dispute Act 1947. The another Industrial Employment Act 1946, also very important act, so explain to the labor laws. The another Trade Union Act 1926. So this is also very important thing, the Independent Labor Union. So Trade Union Act 1926 also explain to the bunch of the laws. The labor law or the social security also provide to the present government or the present past government also the point out to the some legislations regarding the labor law or social securities. So building or other construction work welfare act, you know about the 1996. So this is also very important act. The another the Karnataka Labor Welfare Funds Act. This act passed by the 1965 Karnataka legislation Vidhan Sabha, or the Minority Benefits, Maturity Benefits Act 1961. Another the Payment of Gratuity Act. Are you know about the Payment and Gratuity Act 1972? So all the acts, the bunch of the acts passed by the Parliament, approximately the 43 acts. Or the 25 Act also mentioned the laws, or the remaining laws also dismissed or be repealed by the Constitution. So the unauthorized the Workmen Act, the series of the Act 2008, the another Equal Remuneration Act 1976. Previous speaker also said that regarding the equality, men and women work in the one place, the same work. So, whole of the society they represent like a labor person. कि मजदूर की पुलिया से एक मजदूर को लाए और उसमें एक मेल मेंबर था, उसको पैसे ज़्यादा दे दिए, और जो फीमेल था उसको फीमेल थी उसको पैसे कम दे दिए. This is a discrimination at present also all the members of the society members. So this discrimination point out to the Honorable Supreme Court of India, very important judgment, Ranveer Singh versus Union of India, 1997. They laid down the principle equal pay for equal justice. So this also principle laid down by the law कि अगर समान कार्य कोई कर रहा है तो उसको समान तनख्वाह मिलेगी. This is a very important point. So another thing, the Karnataka Sessions the Allowances Act 1988. So worker also provide demand to the allowances, or the Motor Transport Works Act 1961 also passed, or the Plantation Labor Act also passed 1951, or the Paper Employees the Conditional Services Provisions Act passed by the 1965. So these are the codified law passed by the Indian Parliament. The all laws are present in force, but the present government, the past is some laws. So I point out also the very important thing. The women work in India obtained the period labor force service. You know about the very important things the provided by the women's work in India. Are you know about the some words the women or men or women? Men or women, this is a very important thing. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar जी का सपना था कि अगर देश में गरीब, मजदूर और महिलाएं और बच्चे सुरक्षित रह गए और ये पढ़ लिख गए तो भारत देश दुनिया का सर्वश्रेष्ठ देश में से एक होगा. आज डॉक्टर बी आर अम्बेडकर का सपना सच हो रहा है. Why say? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar said that time in 1954 or 1953 or 1950, at present time, the whole of the society or the society members that represent Dr. B.R. Ambedkar ideology, ideas, say some quotes कि जिसने शिक्षा को ग्रहण कर लिया, जो शिक्षित हो गया, वह शेरनी की तरह दहाड़ेगा. No doubt. Without education person, जिसके पास there is no education, there is no development. This theme also under the mentioned Indian Constitution or the other laws. सो वुमेन वर्कर्स कि महिलाओं के लिए क्या योगदान था, इट इज माई पर्सनल थीम और आइडियाज कि एवरी पीपल सल्यूट डॉक्टर बी आर अम्बेडकर। खासकर महिलाएं भगवान माने उनको तो बहुत ही अच्छा होगा, क्योंकि डॉक्टर बी आर अम्बेडकर की जो योगदान महिलाओं के लिए कर दिया है वो कोई और नहीं कर सकता। मजदूरी करने वाली महिला जब अपने बच्चे के लिए दूध की बात करती थी कि दूध पिलाना है, या उसको काम करने के साथ में उसके एक्स्ट्रा बेनिफिट चाहिए तो वो प्रोवाइड नहीं हो पाता थी। लेकिन डॉक्टर अम्बेडकर के सपने के बाद और डॉक्टर अम्बेडकर के प्रयासों के बाद ये जो आज महिलाओं के लिए बराबरी का हक, जो बहुत सारे प्रावधान जो हैं, उन कानूनों को सरकार का एजेंडा खत्म करने का हो गया है। The another contains the regarding the present law, the capture the unpaid the work labor statistics of the time use surveys. So you know about the very important survey regarding the labor laws or the bunch of the law. Time is very short, so not explain to the every word related to the. If any query or if any question, I have also mentioned the mobile number or email address every time available regarding point out to any issue regarding the labor laws. So new labor law code the implications the women workers. I have discussed the labor unions or labor laws regarding the women. The union government has enacted the 4 new codes, the abolishing the existing 29 labor laws that is presently in the process of the finalize the rules, the paper examine the provision, such change the women workers in the context of the decline the female labor force participating in the past or the decay the labor laws. So you know about all the labor laws, the related the females regarding women or other person. The reform started with the implements the 29 existing laws, the labor laws with the 4 codes, namely the code of the wages first, name of the causes of the wages, the industrial relation codes second, and third the occupational safety act, health working conditions code, or the last the code of the social security code wages. So these are 4 laws the present government point out but not enforce the at present time. In future the all the laws be enforced, so situation is very critical. So this theme the content regarding the new labor laws, the independent labor union the present employees they also working the regarding the labor laws. I know about the sexual harassment of the women at a workplace. So this point the Honorable Supreme Court of India also mentioned the very important judgment Visakha versus State of Rajasthan. So after the Honorable Supreme Court of India, this is a fundamental right under the Indian Constitution. The central government 2013, they passed the law, statutory law regarding the sexual harassment of the women workplace prohibition or prevention redressal act 2013. So this act also applicable to the industrial area, factory areas or the laborers classes. So this is a very important part of the labor law. The another things regarding the sexual harassments or the other harassments not include to the sexual harassment the physical touch and other also point to related to the laws. So these things the under the Indian Constitution the bunch of the laws. Why is the bunch of the laws? Very important article, are you know about the article 23 or 24? So article 23 or 24 right against exploitation. So are you know about the right against exploitation? the fourth law. Fourth law, so you know about the fourth law. This is a very important fundamental right, also mentioned by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the another part, Article 24. Article 24, the children prohibition of the factory areas or the industrial areas or residential areas, कि भाई खतरे की जगह पर बच्चे जो काम नहीं करेंगे. So this is also very important fundamental right under the Indian Constitution law. So this is a really Ambedkar right. It is my personal suggestion to all the human beings, we follow the Ambedkar right, educated, organized और फिर एजुकेटेड. कि पहले हम शिक्षित बने, फिर संघर्ष करें और उसके बाद जो है ना ऑर्गेनाइज, बगैर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के हम संघर्ष नहीं कर सकते. So this is the theme of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. I salute Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. I love Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. And also जय हो पेरियार साहब, जय हो छत्रपति साहू जी महाराज, जय हो माता ज्योतिबा फुले, सावित्रीबाई फुले और अदर डिग्निटीज. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय संविधान, जय हिंद.